Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to turn on lockdown mode and what it does on the iPhone or iPad. So today in front of me is the iPhone 12 with the iOS 17.4, but it really doesn't matter which iPhone you have or which version of the iOS you have or which iPad or which iPad OS you have. You need to have the system that is later than the 2023 version. So what you want to do is to open settings, then you want to swipe down a little bit and tap on privacy and security. Then you want to swipe down again all the way to the bottom and you're going to find the lockdown mode. So let's click on this one. And here you have the lockdown mode is marketed as an extreme optional protection that should only be used if you believe you may be personally targeted by a highly sophisticated cyber attack. And they say that the most people are never targeted by attacks of this nature. And the lockdown mode has some minuses. It just gives you less functionality of your device. So let's click on turn on lockdown mode. It is not so extreme, I will tell you from the start. It doesn't do as much as it could. So this information, what does to the iPhone, what it is in the lockdown mode with the apps, websites and features. So the messages, more messages, attachments are blocked and some features are unavailable. So you're not going to be able to search for the messages in the conversation. You're not going to be able to see the preview of the links. And also you're not going to be able to see all the photos and videos that you have sent in a specific conversation. And also if you send a GIF, it is going to be sent, but if you go out and into the conversation, you are not going to see the GIF. So keep that in mind, but it is going to be sent. So about the FaceTime calls from people you have not previously called are blocked, and features such as SharePlay and live photos are unavailable. Web browsing, some web technologies and browsing features are blocked, so it means if you are using, for example, some websites that are not going to load up in a Safari, you have option to make an exception for a specific website. But if you are using the third-time app, like maybe Chrome or Firefox, you are not going to be able to do those exceptions. So keep that in mind. About the photos, the location will be excluded by default when sharing some photos, and shared albums will be removed from your photos. The device connection, wired connections with another device or accessory while your iPhone is locked, so it means if it's not unlocked, are blocked. So for example, if you're going to use Apple CarPlay, for example, you need to have your iPhone unlocked all the time to make it work. The wireless connectivity, so automatically joining non-secure Wi-Fi networks is blocked. Apple services, so incoming invitations for Apple services from people you have not previously invited are blocked also. And the profiles, configuration profiles such as profiles for school or work cannot be installed. Also with the focus modes, you have option to share your focus mode to someone. Turning on the lockdown mode, it just disables this function, so you are not longer going to be able to share your focus status. So keep that in mind also. So let's turn on lockdown mode right now. So just click right here. And as you can see, for complete protection, lockdown mode has been enabled on all your devices. And lockdown mode requires your iPhone to restart. So let's click turn on and restart. And you need to enter your passcode, as you can see. So let's do it. And now your iPhone is restarting, so let's wait a moment. So after less than 1 minute we are already back in the iPhone. So as you can see, nothing really changes on the first view. Also, if you're going to, for example, use some Safari, as you can see, you have lockdown enabled. And now, as you can see, the Facebook is not going to load up. So maybe let's just go, for example, with the Ferrari website. As you can see, it is working, but also we have the, as you can see, the font fix. Every font is going to be the same on every website. So let's open the Facebook, for example. The font is different here. I'm not so sure. Let's maybe open the Lamborghini website to see. So as you can see, we have the font we do not have it actually. So now we are back after some time, as you can see. Let's unlock the iPhone right now. And now, as you can see, nothing really changes. But keep in mind about those limitations that I have told you before restarting the iPhone. So yeah, this is it. This is how you can turn on the lockdown mode and what it really does. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.